The Puget Sound Photographic Collectors Society, is that it?
Yep, PSPCS.
PSPCS. They're all here today to collect my dad's camera collection. We got a team of 8 people. All the boxes are assembled. Everyone's got an assignment, including myself. You can observe this activity, Pop?
Yeah.
45 years of collecting cameras.
But this number already.
Oh, that, okay,
Yeah.
you've got the right case. So we have a case, but no camera
Yeah,
for that.
175. So, it could be that one right there.
There you go.
I didn't actually pull out each camera because there was so many different things to match. So if our inventory said it was in that case,
This is a match.
Yep.
good. We placed the cases that were stored in a different location in the area where the cameras are displayed in the cases. So the idea was to match them as they packed them up.
Yeah. No, you did a good job.
Like a base.
Well, relation of collectors.
Sure, stimulates membership in the club too.
Exactly.
Yeah, where else can they see available cameras in such quantity
Oh yeah.
and variety?
We're on a couple different Facebook pages, and when we post things like our sale and show pictures of what we're going to be selling, some of the other people around the country
Oh, yeah.
go ahead and say, boy, I wish I could be a member of your club and come to those, and says, well, you can be a member of the club and come to them.
Yeah.
You just got to pay the $20 annual fee. Yeah, but I live in New York City, or I live in California, or somewhere. We've actually got 2 members from California that come up for a large number of our sales.
No kidding.
None of this stuff is bid. It's all priced and only sale
At the scene.
at the scene, yeah.
They can't call in and say, I'll
Nope.
pay the $30 for
Nope.
that one.
Nope.
That would be awkward to do that.
It would make it extremely difficult to
Oh, yeah.
coordinate. And
Yeah.
this is enough work for all of us retired guys as it is. It's a challenge, but it's also an interesting challenge that we enjoy.
Yeah, obviously.
Having the club come here and do this for us is a huge time-saving and also a rewarding experience, because there's other people that are passionate about cameras and collections over the years, and that's great to know that that's where it's going. It means a lot to my dad and myself.
Yeah, we don't mind being stars.
Yeah, we decided that we went and looked at that, and that area there's too noisy.
Yeah, the weird thing about this is the lid takes 3 times as long, or 4 times as long as the box.
Shelves are still pretty loaded up there.
Yes, they are.
I trust you a lot more than me on remembering how to collapse that one.
Gotta be Houdini in some cases.
I know, yeah.
Cause that mess.
No, no. No, I have
Cyclops counteracts.
Only a few cameras left on the shelf. Kind of sad.
I didn't hear a lot of noise of cameras dropping in that.
Where'd they all go?
I gave you a real challenge, didn't I?
Oh man, I finally got it out. I got it together, but now it's way off.
Yeah.
I can't get it back.
You know, this is why my dad and I decided we weren't going to try to collapse the cameras.
Probably a very light.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
This is the remaining production area for packing up the cameras. The largest collection was in this room.
It's like
I
It's
know.
fun to watch them open things up and then close them up.
Yeah, there's a skill. I couldn't figure out how to shut some of those cameras. I had to get somebody that knew them
Oh,
to shut. How many more boxes will you need? Here's a couple empty ones.
Yeah.
yeah, my dad when he found exposed film, he would experiment with them, see if he could recover the images, and quite often he did.
I've done that a number of times, and it's a hoot.
It is. It must be really exciting. So, Walt, when is this going to be up for sale at the barn?
September, October
All right.
is our current estimate.
You give me some bubble wrap.
That little back there.
They're in the suburbs, say they're in Cincinnati, but they're not.
Walt, I think it comes apart.
You got it apart.
Are you collect the hero type?
Pickles doesn't seem to mind all the activity.
Doesn't mind.
You know, I think I hear an echo in this room now.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
That's an empty piece, so.
Long enough to be able to form one. And this one. So your dad, there wasn't one of these that he wanted?
Correct. I
Okay.
confirmed that. The one he was considering was the Salvation Army one there at the bottom.
Right.
I don't mind taking it, but
No, that's not let you.
That's almost a two-man's
Yeah.
thing because of the height and the weight. Last few boxes.
So, mine is this small in this same circuit throughout, almost all of them have the same circuit.
Yeah. Last few boxes.
So you got a video, end of an era?
Yeah. Well, the beginning of a new era.
That's true.
Transferring it to new ownership.
Will you take the recycle?
That's a wrap.
Yeah. Got that.
Yeah, I'll recycle those for you.
I just wanna see if one of you guys can eat a biscuit there, just a piggy.
Where are we going?
3 vanfuls
Yeah.
of cameras.
John, we're following you.
What street is it? What town?
Well, you get off at college, and you go past the Goodwill, and then you
What town are we in?